Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a second video from the series website audit checklist article preparation. So right now I am publishing a video that I have created yesterday. I am publishing on my website, and I am adding the keyword within the title, within the meta title as well, so you can see it's here. I'm not adding it to the meta description. I've written meta description in a very conversational style because I wanted just to keep it light. I didn't want to stuff it with keywords, and all I do, I just inserted a YouTube video as a content and added a tag, a keyword as a tag. So I'm going to publish it, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so this video is published. What I'm going to do before viewing it, I'm going to edit the URL a little bit because I don't want to use this URL for anything else than the post. So I am not going to use it for this. For this video, I'm going to slightly edit it because I used site audit checklist for the first post. So I'm going to use perhaps just audit checklist. Okay, and I'm going to OK it and update. Okay, so this is a live video published on my website. It has a keyword in the title, and that's it. It's just a video because I've got a blog category just for videos, so I utilized it to add new content here. So if you like this video, please click like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how to create an article to rank on page 1, and also share it if you found the tips valuable. And it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.